So welcome to 8A Simpson Gardens and Dumfries, a 3-bed semi. Looking out to the side here, you've got a driveway for off-road parking. We've got a fence panel which is just about to be reattached as this property's been renovated after a long-term rent. Small front garden. Gardens will all be mowed before anybody moves in. Let's take ourselves in through the front door. This being a 3-bed semi, and you come into your hallway, and first room to note is to your left hand side, where we have a ground floor cloakroom, which is very handy. We've got the stairs rising to the first floor, and then we've got the living room here to the front of the property. Lots of space in here, 3-piece suite, television table, etc. Nice painted walls and a new floor down, and you're looking out to the front street. Take away into the kitchen diner. So the kitchen is pretty well fitted out. Got gas hob, electric oven, extractor over. We've got a 1.5 bowl stainless steel sink and drainer. This rent comes with a washing machine which is plumbed in, and we've got a tall fridge freezer. And as a spin round there, you can see the dining end of the property. Plenty of place there for a family-sized dining table and chairs. Back door's open, so let's go and take a little look out in the rear garden. Again, lawns will be cut before anybody moves in, but you've got a little private rear garden. It extends down to the side, and then we're back out to the driveway, which I showed you when we first walked in. So ideal family rental this with the 3 beds, which we'll go in and show you now. Nice quiet residential area. Understairs storage cupboard there, which has the utilities contained therein. And let's just walk upstairs. Now, there's 2 double bedrooms. I'm going to show you the bigger double to start with. This is at the rear of the property. So lots of space in here for double bed, wardrobes, chest of drawers, etc. There's a little glimpse out to the rear garden. And then we'll show you the second double. This one looking out to the front of the property. And again, lots of space in here to make a decent double bedroom. And then a single bed, which is actually not too bad a size. Plenty of room for a bed, maybe used as a dressing room, home office, maybe a nursery, that sort of thing, if you don't need the 3rd bedroom. And there's some really useful storage space there as well. So that is Simpson Gardens, a lovely 3-bed semi-detached house, which is coming onto the market now with hunters. If you're interested and would like to arrange a viewing, please do get in touch with my team. Thank you.